Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. We all know the importance of having good core strength and stability. A strong core can really help to improve the quality of your movement and prevent injury. And in today's episode, we're going to be practicing a few movements that will help you work on your core strength and stability and improve it as well. Let's get started. So we're going to be starting off in tabletop position today. So coming onto your knees and palms, make sure your fingers are spread out nicely and you have a good grip on the mat. Knees are slightly closer to each other. From here, we're going to practice a variation of Vyagra Shwasa. As you inhale, you're going to simultaneously lift your right leg up and left arm up. Now what you need to pay attention is that you're not opening the hip to one side, you're keeping the hips square to the floor but leg is lifted up. You're not collapsing the back too much, keeping the sternum ribs drawn in, lower belly drawn in and your arm in line with the ear. Now as you exhale, you're going to bring your knee towards your elbow like you're crunching in towards the abdomen. Inhale and extend. When you're extending, try to stabilize, there's no wobble in the body. Exhale, knee towards the elbow. Inhale and extend. Exhale, knee to the elbow. 3. Inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to the elbow. 4. Inhale, extend. As you exhale, bring your palm down, knee down. Let's try the other side. Left leg and right arm. As you inhale, extend simultaneously. Exhale, knee towards the elbow. Inhale and extend. Neutral spine, belly drawn in. Exhale, knee to the elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to the elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to the elbow. If you notice yourself getting comfortable here, you can start to introduce a stay as well. Inhale, extend. Let's hold. 1. Neutral pelvis. 2. 3. 4. 5. Exhale, palm down, knee down. You can sit back, relax for a few seconds. We've done 5 repetitions on each side. You can increase it to 10 and even 15. Increase the hold as well as you get stronger. Now we're going to shift onto our backs. Lying down. Make sure your head is resting comfortably on the floor. First, we're going to start by bending the right knee in towards the chest. Now from here, exhale, lift your head up, but you're not straining the back of the neck this way. Use your abdomen to gently crunch up. If you're very comfortable here, start to lift the left foot off the mat. And now we're going to switch from one side to the other. Switch as you inhale, exhale. Switch, inhale, exhale. Keep breathing, let's continue. Switch and switch. 3, switch and switch. 4, you notice as I'm switching my leg, there's no movement around my pelvis. Lower back stays towards the floor. Neck is free. No strain around the neck and keeping the lower belly drawn in. Switch and switch. 5, switch and switch. 6, switch and switch. 7, switch and switch. 8, slowly bring your head down, feet down to the mat. You can relax here for a few seconds. Now in this variation, we use the strength of the hands as well to hold the leg while you're switching. In the next one that we're going to do, we're going to extend the hands forward so you don't have that support from the hands. So you're relying on the hip flexor and the lower belly to move the legs. So let's start by hugging the right knee again. Extend the left leg forward. Your starting position is the same. Lift the left leg up. Use your abdomen to crunch up. On your exhale, come up. This time, extend the hands forward. Let's go again. Switch and switch. 1, switch and switch. 2, now that you don't have your hands, don't stop the knee here. Try to use the hip flexor and bring the knee all the way close to the chest. Switch and switch. Switch and switch. Switch and switch. 5, 3 more. Switch and switch. Last 2, switch and switch. 1 more, switch and switch. Slowly hug the knees, relax the head and relax. When you are practicing any of these core drills, you should not feel the load or any kind of discomfort or niggle or a pinching pain in the lower back. Then you're using the back muscles to kind of crunch up and your pelvis is not stable. That's a good indicator for you to rest, correct your posture and then get back into the movement. Most of the work here is felt in the lower belly and in the upper abdomen. Okay, moving on to the next one. We can do one more level of the leg switches where you keep the legs straight completely and you take your hands underneath the head, which can be a little bit more challenging. So you're going to interlock the fingers like you're going to prepare for crunches. Take it underneath your head. Now lift both legs up to 90 degrees. From here, again using your abdominal strength, exhale, gently crunch up. What strains the neck is if we start to crunch this way using the neck. So draw the belly in, crunch up and continue to gaze slightly diagonally up so that your neck is neutral. Now from here we're going to do the leg switches. Right leg down first and switch and switch. 1, switch and switch. 2, switch and switch. 3, switch and switch. 4, switch and switch. 5, switch and switch. 6, switch and switch. Keep breathing, no holding the breath. You can also take a couple of exhalations through the mouth if you need to. Last one and slowly back to 90 degrees. Head down first, bend your knees and place the feet down. Release your hands. Take a moment to observe how this practice feels for you. Movement is important, but the rest or the pause in between is also important. It gives you time for you to come back to your breath and also reflect on your practice. The last one we're going to do today is a combination of a hip opener and some core work as well. Okay, so for this one, you're going to open your arms out to shoulder level on both sides. You're going to lift the legs up to 90 degrees. As you inhale, open the legs out into a wide V position. Exhale, bring them back together. If that's comfortable, as you inhale, bring both legs down to the mat. Exhale and come up. Inhale, open. Exhale, in. Inhale, as you're bringing the legs down, lower back stays to the floor, no arching of the back. So with control, bring the legs down. Exhale and up. If you feel like you can't take it all the way down, stop halfway, it's perfectly fine. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Another point about the breathing, you can also reverse the breathing. You can open the legs on exhalation, join on inhale. It depends on every individual which kind of breath suits that particular posture. So be open with trying out different breath patterns as well. Let's do 2 more. Inhale, as wide as you can. Exhale. Inhale down. Exhale. Last one. Inhale, open the legs and let's stay here. 1, 2, 3, awareness to the sensation on the inside of the legs. Outer part of your thighs and hips are active. 3, 4, 5. Exhale, bring the legs back together. Now from here, when you're dropping the legs down, you're going to take 5 seconds to drop the legs down. So don't drop it down at one shot, slowly with control. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly bring your feet down. Bend the knees, hug your knees into your chest. Gently rock side to side. Once you're ready, you can bring your feet down and relax in Shavasana. As I had mentioned, we've done only about 5 to 8 repetitions of every variation. As you get stronger, start to increase the number of repetitions. You can make it 10, even 15, even do 2 or 3 sets. This shows that you're getting stronger and they will really help you to stabilize in all of your other postures as well. So definitely add a couple of these movements to your regular yoga practice and let us know how it's helping you. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I will see you in the next one.